Anthony here, ultralight backpacker. Jason from Muck Outdoors hanging out right behind me. Matt's leading the way. We're up here at Big Bear area, San Bernardino National Forest. Going to Deer Springs Trail Camp, right?
Deer Springs Arrastre Trail Camp.
Yeah, so we're heading down the PCT. Only hiking like a mile. But it's one better than none. So we'll get to camp tonight, give it a look, and we'll do a quick in and out and head out in the morning. Catch you at camp. So guys, got a little bonfire going here. Fires are allowed right now, and we're gonna get to cooking some dinner, and it should be a good night. All right, Jason, thanks brother. He brought me some beer to split. What do you got there on the menu?
It is a Hangar 24 American Light.
Yeah. We got the red, white, and blue on there, baby. Yes, so I know it's gonna be good. Cheers, bud. Cheers. Cheers, Maddie.
Cheers. Cheers, guys. Cheers.
All right, salute. Heating up some water here on the Soda Windmaster. So we got some miso soup there. I'm gonna try that. Matt makes them every time he comes out here, and I get pretty jealous. So I'm gonna give that a go. And then we're gonna do a little chicken and dumplings from Mountain House, my new favorite dinner. I got the guys over here eating up their fried chicken and potato salad, and my water's boiling already. It's lovely. I got my flashlight here lighting me up. It's pretty dark and I don't have a light for my camera yet. I'm gonna try this miso soup out, see how it goes. That's really good. Ooh, it's hot, but it's really good. I'll definitely be bringing that out more often. Oh yeah. It's way better than coffee at night. All right, we'll get to dinner next. Meal was warming up in here. My little gear hack here. I've just got my Toke 750 with a Reflectix koozie. And then I got a little piece right here that I put on the inside, cover it. I cover it with the lid. Then I'll take my fuel canister, I'll set it on top, leave everything like that. And so my food cooks in there and it doesn't cool down at all. Take all that out. And you can see my food is still in the Ziploc bag, that freeze-dried meal. So what I'll do is I'll eat it in here, and then my pot will be completely clean, so I don't have to clean it out before I hang it up, or I don't have to clean it out in the morning, and I don't have to waste any water doing that. So that's just my little setup there, and it works out really well. All right guys, so I got, originally this was the PCT stick that I bought on lightaf.com. They stopped selling them. They make a carbon fiber one now that's really cool, but this is the one from Dutchware Gear. It's still called the PCT stick. You can pick it up for like $3 online. There's not a lot of videos on this, but we're gonna try it out here hanging basically a Z-Packs bear bag that's moderately full with gear, and a trash bag that we also have here. So we're gonna lift this up onto a branch and see if we can show you guys this thing. We'll get it up here. Oh man, I've got some weight to it. And so we'll show this little PCT toggles. So you come in like that, and then this part gets a little interesting. You gotta kind of hold it taut. So you get it clipped in there, and it clips on one side, and then you can kind of release. Clips in there, and like that. And when you pull tension on it and let go, you'll see that it's hanging straight. So the carabiner will hang on that. So kind of nifty little clip design. I'll just lower this down slowly, make sure it connects where I want it to, into the carabiner housing, and not somewhere else. And that looks like a good little hang there for me. So we're about maybe 10 feet, 12 feet off the ground. And yeah, so that's the PCT stick hung with a pretty heavy bear bag. There you go. So food set up, join the campfire, and we'll hit bed pretty soon here. Good morning, you guys. It's Saturday morning out here in camp. It's about 38, 40 degrees on my temp gauge, and I'm about to get up here in a little bit, make some coffee. Got the quote here, and we're using the space blanket earlier. That helped out a lot. There's a lot of moisture buildup, but this solo quote really took it well. So. Alright guys, I'm just going to shine you on this lunar solo here. Same setup I always have. Got the Z-Packs 30 degree solo quilt in here. It performed beautifully last night in temps that came within, I'd say, 8 or 10 degrees of that. down booties. Just that is a Mylar blanket right there I had loosely draped over me for the colder parts, and just some gear spread out. So nice little shelter here. Bag and stuff on the ground. Eco lantern. Trail camp mat stuff. Duplex and another lunar solar. I just did this little loop tie up here. This is so that when you go to hang your bear bag next, all you do is you pull on the free end here. You can keep pulling this out, and your line won't get caught on itself. So it's a nice little way to, and then you can just bend it in half to put it in your bear bag or in your little rock throwing kit, like my little light AF one here. There we go. Good stuff. Alright guys, chilly morning here. We're just going to pack up and head out because the car is only about, I don't know, a mile, less than a mile from where we're at, maybe. Fun little night here out on the PCT. And we will catch you on the next adventure. Like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.
Peace. Sun.